In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate card mirroring in Trello. Whether you're managing projects, organizing tasks, or just keeping your personal plans in line, Trello is a fantastic tool for staying on top of your workload. Today, we're going to dig into one specific feature: card mirroring. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping information synchronized across different boards and lists without having to manually duplicate each card. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to get started by heading over to Trello's website. Once you're there, the next thing you'll do is choose your preferred method to log in. You might log in with your Trello account credentials, or if you prefer an easier route, connecting through a Google or Microsoft account can be a great option. Once logged in, locate the Trello board where you want to enable card mirroring. On this board, you'll see a menu option in the top right corner. Click on that menu and find the Power-Ups section. Power-Ups are essentially plugins that enhance Trello's core functionality. Scroll through the Power-Ups until you find the Placker Power-Up. This is the add-on we'll use today to enable card mirroring. Select it and proceed to add this power-up to your board. As you add the Placker power-up, you'll be guided through a series of prompts. Follow these prompts carefully to ensure that it's set up correctly. These prompts will typically require permissions to integrate seamlessly with your Trello board, so be sure to grant any necessary access. Now, with the power-up active, it's time to open up the Trello card you wish to mirror. Perhaps it's a card that's particularly critical to multiple projects, or one you frequently update and track in different contexts. Looking at your card, you'll find a new Mirror button as part of the Placker integration. Go ahead and click that Mirror button. This will open a menu where you can select Manage Mirror Rules. This is your hub for customization. It's where the magic happens. Here, you can define exactly how you want the mirroring to work, setting up conditions and rules that fit your specific needs. Perhaps you want certain fields to be mirrored back and forth between cards, or maybe you want to adjust how updates are displayed. Follow these options and tailor the mirroring to precisely what you require. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added the capacity to mirror cards in Trello, making your project management much more efficient. Mirroring cards ensures that updates made in one location automatically reflect in another, keeping your information consistently up to date. Keep experimenting with different options until you find the setup that works best for your workflow. This small enhancement can have a big impact on your productivity and the overall management of your tasks.